Hi YouTube, this is Chelsea. So right now I am going to do a review and absorbency test on the Always Thin Liner Regular. 1 second. Okay, so I only got the small package because I was afraid I wasn't gonna like them because I was first time trying them. They're okay, not my favorite, but it's okay. I have some more, but mostly it's empty. I got the smallest package it was, which it was very, very cheap. It was like 93 cents at my Walmart. That's what it looks like. It's like a plastic. The 20 pack regular Always Thins. Cute little purples and blues and pinks. All the info on the back. It says flexible protection for everyday comfort. Thin, discreet, feminine, trying new things, going places, living life, always everyday protection. So they're pretty good. Right now what I'm keeping in here because I really need to get more liners. I have 4 more Always Thin liners and 3 more U by Kotex barely there liners left, and I wear a liner every day, so I really need to get more. And I just have all those left in this little package because I didn't want a big old box to keep these in. So yeah, and then okay, this is what one of them looks like. It's a light blue color. It's got little flower designs all over it. Sorry, drop it. And it's got the Always Tap to make it easy if you want to pre-open it, which these aren't very loud, so if you wanted to like pre-open it, you pull the tab. That's what it looks like. It's kind of folded under for some reason. Stuck to itself. Okay, so yeah, and it doesn't have like a piece of paper behind it. It's just sticking to the wrapping. They're always, I don't know if it's meant to be this way, but they are always like off a little bit, off-centered. They're not in the middle, but it's okay, they work fine. You just peel it off the plastic. I'm doing an absorbency test. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this, but okay, whatever. Set it on my shirt, like that. Okay. Yes, keep it. I'm trying to get my camera to get where you can see it. I'm sorry, my camera won't stay. Okay, now you can see it, and then I'll figure out a way to do this. I'm sorry. Okay, that should be a little better. Okay, so here's my liquid. I didn't have any dye, so I couldn't dye it. But hopefully you can see it. I'm gonna get one of these. So that's 5 milliliters, which is equal to 5 grams. And I'm not sure how much these are supposed to hold, but I don't know. Oh well, it's fine. I'll just start off with doing 2. Yeah, I'll do 2 at first. And you can see it, right? Okay. If that tells you anything, like, it rolled off. It doesn't absorb very well. That's 2.5, and it takes forever to absorb. Like, you may be able to see it. See those drops? It won't even absorb those. It's dry right here though. Like, it don't spread it out very well. It's not my favorite. It doesn't absorb, like, barely at all. There's a spot right here. There's some dry spots. And that was 3 grams. So, it's not very good. I'll do some more. Okay. Trying to get the dry spots. Like, a lot of liners do a good job of spreading it out to where it'll absorb all over, and that's my 5 milliliters or 5 grams, and it's pulling up in some spots. Like, if I apply any pressure to some of these spots, it'll pull up on my finger like I'm dragging water right now. Sorry, I just dropped you. You can't really tell. I'll pull it up off my shirt. But it leaked really bad right there. And it leaked over here. Not the best liner in the world. At all, actually. You can't really tell, but it's kind of expanded. I don't know. If I compared it to a U-by Kotex, or put it on a scale compared to a U-by Kotex, it would get like a 4, maybe a 5. It's okay for discharge, not even super duper heavy discharge, but it's okay for discharge, but it's okay for backup for a tampon, but don't wear it for a light period. Like, I wore a U-by Kotex for a light period one day, and it did fine, but not the always thin liner. You would leak, I promise you. So, it's not my favorite. It's not even as sticky as the U by Kotex. I mean, it seems sticky right now, but it's not. So, about a 4 or 5 out of 10. I don't know. I wouldn't really recommend these. So, hope you enjoyed this. Once again, that was Always Thin regular liners. Always Thin regular liners. Thanks.